Today, we introduce a key component in renewable energy systems, the onshore wind turbine gear, the core part of heavy-duty industrial gearboxes. Unlike ordinary gears, wind turbine gears work under extremely harsh conditions. They run at very low input speeds, transmit huge torque up to 2,000 kilonewtons (m), and bear constantly changing loads caused by wind fluctuations. So reliability and durability are critical. We use high-quality carburizing alloy steels such as 18 Crenemo 7-6 and 2OC Ni to MOA. Combined with vacuum melting and ES are processes to ensure material purity and strength. Our production includes precision forging with 100% ultrasonic testing, gear machining, carburizing, and quenching, precision grinding, and strict inspection. Our gears have a surface hardness of HRC 58 to 62, core hardness of HRC 30 to 40, casing depth of 1.5 to 3.0 millimeters, and accuracy up to ISO 5 AGM A11-12. Designed for more than 20 years or 120,000 working hours, they can reliably withstand extreme working conditions. If you are looking for a professional gear or industrial gearbox supplier, welcome to contact us for more solutions.